Welcome to another video in the series Audi A2 Project Youngtimer. In this video I will replace the tailgate struts. As you can see, after 21 years they do not work very well. I need to help the tailgate up, and only when it is here it stays up for now. As you can see, also the struts are a little bit flimsy, and if I just put it a little bit down, the tailgate, it just drops down. So the struts need to be replaced, and when I was researching for the replacement, I saw that factory Audi struts are quite expensive, so I tried to find the alternatives, and I found these two. These are the Stabilus. Many of the owners replaced the factory struts with this, and they were quite satisfied. So there are a few things, because these struts, there is a lot of them. I've decided for the module, if you can look here, 8413HV, and these are not the struts for the Audi A2, but are the struts for first generation of Audi A3. Why have I decided for this? When I was researching, I found a link on the a thread on Audi A2 owners channel, owners club forum, and a person replaced factory struts which have the eject force 370 newtons with Passat struts. First with these are from Audi A3, and they have eject force 420, and Passat struts have 500 newtons. I also thought about Passat struts, especially because you can get them in the silver color. As you can see, these are the silver one, factory. But I was a little bit worried that maybe the chassis, the part where the struts connect to the chassis, could be damaged. So I just decided to go a little bit up with 420 against 370 newtons. These are black ones. Are not silver, but it should be okay. Everything that you need to replace them is just a flat screwdriver and 10 minutes of work, and it should be okay. And of course, we need also something to support the boot, the tailgate when it is open, because when we will take down the struts, it's quite heavy. It can fall down. So I searched for a thing that would be, and I found this rake, and it is just perfect. As you can see, I will just put it here, and that's it. So now we can easily take the struts out, and the tailgate will stay up. So let's first remove the upper part where it connects to the chassis. I will verify again that the tailgate is firmly secured with the rake, and it is. And so it's quite easy. You just take the flat screwdriver and take this out. That's it. This should be okay. It will go out. Let's just check. Just a little bit more, and we have this fixture out, and it goes out. So let's just leave it for this for now, like here. We need to do the same with the second part, which is here, and again we just put the screwdriver in and just remove the safety. That's it, and this should be it. I have the safety off, and now we should be able to take out the strut. That's it, we have the strut out, and now let's take the replacement strut. It's here. We need to take the safety out. That's it. Okay. This. that's it. I will just repair it so that I will just push it down, and the second one the same. Okay, that's it. I have both these safety things out, and now let's take the factory strut out like this, and this one also. It is great, it holds. I will just clean a little bit the this like this, so that they will be clean, the ball points in which the strut is connected. That's it. Already, as you can see, in the strut is already a little bit of grease, so I will not grease them, but it is all on both sides. And let's install in the bottom. That's it. And now at the top, I need to turn this around. That's it. Okay, and I will need to release a little bit the boot, just a little bit down. That's it. A little bit more, and that's it. Now let me just push it in. This is it. And now we need to secure the locking pins. Let's push it down. This one is, and this one needs to be pushed up. Let's see. That's it. Okay. This one holds, and let's just check slowly. Yes, it goes down. It's a little bit okay, and it goes automatically up. And this is only with only one strut replaced. As you can see, it goes automatically up. So now I will just do the same with the second strut. Okay, let's replace the second strut. Again, we need to remove the security pins. The first one is out, and now also the bottom one. The bottom one is also out. Let's just verify that this holds, this rack holds, and now let's remove the okay, this one. Okay, that's it. It's out, and now let's support this one. That's it. The second one is out, and let's take the replacement. Okay. So the second strut is out, and now let me just clean the pins where it goes, where it connects. That's it. It should be a little bit cleaner. And now just one remark regarding this Audi A3 strut. As you can see, if I put it like this, it is a little bit shorter. So it's around half a centimeter or 1 centimeter shorter. And this means that the tailgate will go a little bit less up. Okay, so if you will go for this strut, just have in mind this, that the tailgate will open a little bit less than with the factory struts that are longer. And if I remember correctly, when I was checking these measurements, I saw that the Stabilus strut for Audi A2 was really a little bit longer. Okay, so let us now just take the pins, security pins out. Okay, this one is the upper one, and now the lower one also, so that they will go inside a little bit more. Yeah, this one is a little bit stubborn. Okay, yeah. Let me just secure them correctly. This is it, so that I just push them down. Okay, so we have it ready, and now I will just remove here this one. I'll just put the first one in, and I need to again rotate the pin, the strut. That's it, and this one is in. Okay, so now also security pins need to go in. The upper one is done, and now the bottom one up, and that's it. The struts are in. As you can see, it's a little bit more fixed. The factory ones were quite wallowy here, so they should be good for a few years. If not, these struts are quite cheap. I think that it costs a little bit, 10 euros or something like that each, so it's not an expensive thing. So let me now take the rake out. Yeah, the struts were replaced, and as you can see, I think that the height of this is a little bit lower because the struts are a little bit shorter. So let's try now to close it. As you can see, there is still a force up, and the boot just opens easily. It does not rush to the end and then drops, but not drops, but with the force, but it really slowly opens. And yeah, that's perfect. Now let's close it. That's it. It's great. Let's open it again. Okay. That's okay. Perfect. And now let's just close it. That's it. So this was the strut replacement. One box on Project Audi A2 Project Youngtimer is ticked, and thank you for watching. Drive safe and smile when you drive. Bye.